Welcome to the exciting world of beacon technology. With Pink Link, you can have your beacons linked to any web content or YouTube video. You can also have your beacon automatically start an app on your phone. Once you set up your beacon, anyone who comes in range of your beacon will be notified with a link to your message. If you're an app developer, it's easy to add location-based services to your app. When you first start Pink Link, you have the option to change how the program interacts with the beacons. You have the option of including your phone number in a URL associated with the beacon. This allows content providers to give you a personalized experience. You can also choose how often a link will reappear. You can set it up for 1 week. Tapping the check mark saves your choices. You can get back to the setup screen from any screen by hitting the phone's menu button. To search for beacons, simply hit the search button. After a short pause, the search begins. Once you start, the Pink Link will appear in the notification bar as a reminder that it is running. You can now end the program and use your phone normally. To stop Pink Link, restart the program and tap the search button again. When a Pink Link beacon is in range, a notification is issued. If you have no interest in the content, simply clear the message. To find out more, tap the notification. To view the links you collected in the last 30 days, tap the Links button. Tapping any link will return you to the content. If you hold down a link for a few seconds, you can forward a link in a text message. Select a contact and add any additional information you want in the text message. Programming your beacon is easy. Tap the Program button. After 10 seconds, you are presented with a list of all beacons in range. As you can see, there are 4 beacons within range. The padlock in the lower left shows whether the link is protected. Protecting your beacon's link is an optional service provided by Pink Leopard software. To edit a link, simply tap it. You will need a valid email address and a password to register your link. The email address and password associated with the beacon are needed to edit the information and can never be changed. See how easy this is. Type in the name of the link, a description, and the URL of content that you wish to share. You can set up 2 links for every beacon. To register an app, simply type in app:, followed by the name of the app. There are 2 premium services available to you. One is to include the phone number in the URL, and the other is to supply the language the phone uses. This allows content providers to give the users an individualized experience when delivering the content. There are 2 sliders at the bottom. The first is the distance from the beacon where you want the beacon to fire. There are no numbers associated with this because the strength of the beacon signal vary between manufacturers. Beacons can be set anywhere between several inches and up to 100 feet. You will have to experiment with your beacons to get the desired distance. The maximum range of a beacon will depend on the location and placement, obstructions in the environment, and where the device is being stored. The second slider is the time a person must linger in front of the beacon before it fires. This is also not fixed to any real time. The slider sets the time between 0 and 10 seconds. However, a beacon may fire only once in a 10-second period. If you set the slider in the middle for 5 seconds, it will fire somewhere between 5 and 15 seconds, depending on the beacon. You can also slide the screen up to reach certain options. To get to your recent links, you must pin down the page with the stick pin in the lower right corner of the screen. The stick pin stops the flip and shows your links. Just like tapping the Links button, you can revisit your link's content or send it to a friend. Scrolling up and pinning the page shows the beacons you found when you hit the Program button. From here, you can change the program or edit your links. And now it's up to you. Use your imagination. Pink Link has thousands of uses. Tell your story. For ideas on how you can use PinkLink and our Beacon Me accessories, please visit our webpage at www.pinkleopardsoftware.com. Thank you.